In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double-page layout on Word using Microsoft Word. If you're working on a booklet, a professionally bound document, or simply want to view two pages side by side, setting up a double-page layout can make your work look polished and organized. In this guide, I'll walk you through the different ways to achieve this, depending on your specific goal. I'll explain everything clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Let's begin with creating a booklet layout. This option is perfect if you plan to print your document, fold the pages, and assemble them like a small book. To set this up, go to the top menu and click on the Layout tab. From there, select Margins, and at the bottom of the drop-down menu, choose Custom Margins. A dialog box will open with several settings. Look for the section labeled Multiple Pages. Click the drop-down menu and select Book Fold. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the page orientation automatically switches to landscape mode. This adjustment allows the pages to be arranged correctly for folding. Click OK to confirm, and your document is now formatted as a booklet spread, ready for printing. If you simply want to see two pages next to each other while editing without affecting how the document prints, there's a much quicker method. Click on the View tab at the top of the screen. In the Zoom section, select Multiple Pages. You can adjust the zoom level until two full pages appear side by side. Keep in mind that this only changes how the document looks on your screen. It does not modify the actual page setup or printing format. For professional documents, such as theses, reports, or books that will be bound, using mirrored margins is the best approach. Return to the Layout tab, click on Margins, and again choose Custom Margins. Under Multiple Pages, select Mirror Margins. This setting automatically creates inside and outside margins, ensuring there is enough space for binding while keeping the layout balanced. Click OK to apply the changes. When you're ready to print, go to File, then Print, and select Print on both sides. If you're printing a booklet, make sure to choose Flip Pages on Short Edge so everything aligns properly. And that's how you create a double-page layout in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.